Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to install YouTube Studio as a desktop app. Want faster access to YouTube Studio? Let's install it as a desktop app in under a minute. Open a browser, search for YouTube Studio and click on the link. Now click the three dots in top right corner. Go to install YouTube Studio under the cast, save and share. Hit install page as app. Choose install if you want to pin it to your taskbar. Now YouTube Studio opens like a real app like this. Right click on it, then pin to taskbar. Quick, easy and perfect for managing your channel. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.